You got that dreams, deep daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip. I know you're lying, 'cause your lips are moving. Tell me, do you think I'm dumb? I might be.
For the first project, I'm going to pull inspiration from the outdoors, and I am going to make a jewelry hanger out of a tree branch. Seth is painting the branch a beautiful golden shade, and it looks amazing, especially when hung, because it looks like something that would be in Urban Outfitters, you know? Once the branch was dry, I hung it up, and then I took a Sharpie marker and I placed a mark on any spot that I wanted to place a nail. And you can do this before or after you hang the branch up, but this is what I did, and then I nailed them in. And I was going too gentle, so then Seth showed me exactly how to do it. Once you've added all the nails, it's time to pick out the jewelry that you want to hang from your brand new jewelry hanger. I recommend using long necklaces for your jewelry hanger. It's going to look so chic and expensive. It's like magic. And I really loved this DIY. And I especially love how it looks in Myra's room, because her room is super Tumblr and just very boho, and I really loved it. For this next project, you will need an old t-shirt or blouse and an old unwanted throw pillow. And what we're going to do is we're going to give both items a new life. First, you want to make sure the shirt will fit, and then once you've got that down and you know that it's a nice snug fit, you want to go ahead and turn it inside out. So we are going to go for the no-sew method, because I like to save you guys time and make things super simple. I like to call this method the glue and fold method. And all we're going to do is simply mark where we're going to fold and then just glue. It's so simple. I'm telling you, just take the hot glue gun, run it along the edge of the first layer, and then fold that bad boy. And then you just repeat that same process of gluing and then folding. And then once you've got a beautiful, nice fold, look at Seth helping me. Once you've got a perfect fold, it's just gonna look awesome. And you're just gonna repeat this step on all sides. I'm applying the glue again, very generously, and then I am just folding the fabric inward. And this is going to create that illusion of a seam. So it's going to look really nice. One thing you want to look out for is if the corners look a little floppy. For example, right here, you see the corner is like pretty much flipping outward. You want to hot glue that in so that it's very nice and tight. But essentially, all you want to do is just glue and fold. Glue and fold. I'm going to make a song out of this. Glue and fold. And then trust me, it's going to look so great in the end, but you can already see it coming together and starting to look like a pillow. Now it's time to remove the pillow and work on closing up the new throw pillow cover, which I'm so excited about. It just turned out so great, and I think that you guys are going to have a lot of fun recreating this. Now we are going to stuff our pillow back in and make sure that it's a nice snug fit before we start cutting, because once we cut, we can't go back. So I'm going to cut right under the armhole, and once I do that, I am going to glue, I'm just going to glue it shut, you know, an inverted gluing job. And then my pillow is done. I love it so much, and I think that this is like hands down my favorite project to date, and let me know what you think down below. For the final project, you are going to need artificial flowers, and you are just going to pluck those bad boys out, and I would recommend about 5 flowers for this project. So I took 3 petals from each flower, and I am going to take these petals and create something really awesome. So first you want to take a screwdriver or whatever to just basically make that hole bigger. And then once you do, we're going to take some Christmas lights and we're going to pop off very safely and carefully the top half, and then we are going to place those petals in between and then secure that top back on. Make sure that you hold the white border, not the bulb, when you're going ahead with this project, but this is what it's going to look like in the end, and it's going to add the perfect spring touch to your room. I absolutely loved this DIY. It took me like, 5 minutes, and it was amazing, and I really recommend that you guys try this to add some color, and it just looks so great when lit up as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. Please let me know down below which spring DIY idea was your favorite and which one you're going to try. Make sure you use the hashtag NabellaNoor for any DIY that you go ahead and recreate. And if you're a fan of weekly DIYs, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more updates. I post on Instagram every day, so I will talk to you guys there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!